How to fix LinkedIn two-step verification not working. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, if your SMS code is not arriving, you want to go ahead and simply tap on a resend code. Once done, you want to go ahead and toggle airplane mode on or off. And once you have done that, you want to go ahead and restart your phone. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off in your phone. And once you have done that, if your authentication code is invalid, you can go ahead and simply open your settings application. Inside here, simply scroll below, then tap on General. Then from here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Date and Time. And then you want to make sure Set Automatically is toggled on. This fixes most authenticators' issues instantly. So, if you have lost access to your old phone, you can go ahead and simply visit LinkedIn Help Support, and then LinkedIn will help you reset your 2FA. And just like that, you will then be able to fix your issue. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.